Africa Content TV.
Thank you. I must greet you all specially. I'm Judge or Press called the importer exporter. Parallexbankng. My mama left.
Congratulations, finally.
How are you? My pastor.
God bless you.
Well done, yeah, well
God bless you, sir.
I must greet him
Specially, no, financially. Thank you so much. Finally, how are you? Since you are here, or you here? All right. And don't start. You know, it's a very time conscious. All right. Thank you.
All right. Thank you everyone for coming. You're welcome. Parallex team and also Cream platform team members.
Today is the birth. And I can say despite the age of our relationship that is between us and the band class, you will think that we've come a long way. That is to buttress the fact that it is not how long, it's how long. The choice of the cream is not coercive. We were not sympathetic to it. We are passionate about it. And I will say, if you take the symbol that Parallex represents, we have two words that are formidable pillars that the bank is strongly projecting and tactically becoming our DNA. And what are they? Collaboration and partnership. When I say collaboration, you can put an adage behind it. When you do it together, you go far. But in a situation where you do it alone, you can only be fast. It may not be sustainable. You cannot appreciate why we strongly believe in the word collaboration. And that is one of the key factors that is driving the modest success of the bank. And when we are talking in terms of partnership, we decided from day one that in our digital approach to banking, we have a particular path to follow. That is primarily partnership. I could still remember vividly when we were at our strategy session, before the commencement of the bank, ably supervised by the renowned KPMG. We talked extensively about ecosystem. If it is within the radar of fintech, we want to register our presence and have a good handshake. If it is in the entertainment industry, we also want to be recognized. And you know why this marriage is made in heaven? Simply because of the symbol that the king represents. And I will tell you a bit of that. That platform has given birth to many talents in the industry.